Alright, how's everyone doing? I want to show you how to fix a plastic side cover on your motorcycle here. See that crack? Well, during this winter, my brother decided to crack it on me. Because it was right there by my air compressor where the hoses are at. So, I'm just going to do a quick fix right here. I'll show you what you guys need real quick. You need some epoxy, mixing stick, which is just a screwdriver, and a hold down clamp right here. This will work perfect. Alright, let's get the mixing going. Want to get an even 50-50 mixture. This is what this calls for. So I put too much here, so I'm not going to mix that. Keep this out of this little pile. Put it right here. There you go. Starting to see a reaction going on. See how it gets into a cream color. You usually want to put a mat down with fiberglass, but it still has its mat. So I'm going to use the old mat and compress it with the clamp and let it sit overnight, and that'll be a nice solid bond. So all we're doing right here is just having a good solid bond so everything holds in place as good as possible, okay? That's what we're doing here. Let's move that right here. There you go. See how that looks? It's perfect. Perfect mixture. You're going to start doing a chemical reaction. I forgot what the heck it was called when it starts reacting. But it starts getting nice and warm. And this says it settles in 90 seconds. Alright. Let's get this on. Go ahead and paste it on there. You have to put a lot. I say go a lot. Even though it's going to get on your paint, we're going to sand that down and we're going to shoot it with touch-up paint. Okay? So, you won't be able to tell there was even a crack there. Unless you're an expert. Like me, you could tell, but for the common people, they won't know. Right there, get on the inside real good. There you go. It's on there real good. Slide it right there. It's starting to ooze, which is good. It's alright. Get the clamp. We're going to clamp it down and let it sit. Let me get a piece of paper, actually. Maybe we're going to use a piece of paper here. We'll put it between the clamp and the pieces and it'll clamp together here. So when I remove it, if the glue sticks, it only sticks to the paper, not to the clamp. Put it right there. Make sure it's nice and even. Get as good as possible. There we go. Cover is probably gonna stick, but oh well. I'm gonna paint it over anyways, so it'll be fine. A quick touch up. I'm not gonna plan on painting this whole thing. I don't feel like painting. I got my 68 to paint. I still gotta finish that. Yeah, there's so many things to do. There you go. It's on there nice and good. Alright, so let it sit overnight. The clamp is there real good. So by tomorrow when I remove the clamp, you probably still see a hair fracture, which is fine. I'm going to stick a nice thin coat of Bondo. And I'll give it a nice little sand with 320. And from there I'll give it a quick shot of red paint with some touch up. Maybe I'll show a clip of that so you guys have an idea of how I do that. But yep, that's how you fix that. Any questions, leave a comment.